Taman Asian Melaka, Taman Mini Malaysia Dan Asian, unveiling the rich cultural tapestry of Southeast Asia. Welcome to Taman Mini Malaysia Dan Asian, a captivating cultural enclave nestled in the heart of Malaysia. This remarkable destination offers visitors an immersive experience, taking them on a journey through the diverse heritage of not only Malaysia but also the entire Asia. As you step into Taman Mini Malaysia Dan Asian, you will be transported to a world where traditions, customs, and lifestyles from various Southeast Asian countries come alive. Here, you can explore the vibrant tapestry of cultures that make up this dynamic region. Embark on a fascinating adventure as you wander through the meticulously crafted replicas of traditional homes, showcasing the architectural marvels from each Asian country, from the stilt houses of Malaysia to the pagodas of Myanmar. Each structure is a testament to the unique heritage and craftsmanship of its respective nation. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and flavors of Southeast Asia as you stroll through the bustling marketplaces. Indulge your senses with the aromatic spices of their street food, the intricate patterns of Indonesian batik, and the melodious tunes of traditional Filipino music. The vibrant atmosphere will leave you captivated and eager to explore more. For those seeking a deeper understanding of the region's history and cultural significance, Taman Mini Malaysia Dan Asian offers a wealth of educational exhibits and interactive displays. Discover the ancient art forms, traditional costumes, and interactive visuals that have shaped the identity of each Asian country. The green oasis of Malaysia, the Cameron Highlands, are often referred to as the Green Bowl of Malaysia, and for good reason. The landscape here is a mesmerizing tapestry of emerald green tea plantations, flower-filled gardens, and dense tropical rainforests. The region's fertile soil and temperate climate create the perfect conditions for cultivating some of the world's finest tea leaves. Flowers? Taman Rama Rama Melaka. Next video. Are you ready for an enchanting adventure? Embark on a journey to the mesmerizing Taman Rama Rama Malaysia, starting from the Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Clip. So, come and embark on a journey like no other. Discover the wonders of Taman Mini Malaysia Dan Asian and be captivated by the treasures that lie within. Experience the vibrant cultures, embrace the warm hospitality, and create memories that will last a lifetime.